Unity is one of the most overused words in politics, but one of the least understood. Real unity isn't about agreement, it's about purpose. It doesn't mean we all think alike. It means we all care enough about this country to keep trying, even when we disagree. Unity is not silence. It's not pretending that injustice doesn't exist. It's the courage to face the truth together and decide that we still believe in one another more than we believe in fear. America's story has always been a struggle between those who divide and those who unite. Every generation has faced that choice. The founders faced it when they wrote words about liberty while holding slaves. Abraham Lincoln faced it when the nation split in two. Martin Luther King Jr. faced it when he marched into cities filled with hatred. They all understood the same thing. Division destroys nations, but truth rebuilds them. Unity starts with honesty. We can't heal what we refuse to see. Racism, inequality, and misinformation didn't appear by accident. They were built brick by brick by people who understood how to profit from division. That means we can dismantle them brick by brick through truth and empathy. The illusion of us versus them has always been a lie. There is only us, Americans, flawed but striving, divided but not broken. Every time we choose compassion over cruelty, every time we listen instead of shout, every time we protect someone else's freedom even when it's not our own, we move closer to the country we keep saying we are. We've been told that equality is socialism, that compassion is weakness, that fairness is communism. But fairness is not the enemy of freedom. It's what makes freedom worth having. Liberty without justice is privilege. Prosperity without equality is exploitation. True freedom means everyone gets to participate in the promise, not just a few. The great irony is that people who screams the loudest about saving America are often the ones tearing it apart. Because you can't save a democracy by dividing it. You save it by living up to it. That starts with humility, admitting that our history is complicated, that our progress is incomplete, and that our differences are not dangers, they're strengths. Democracy isn't fragile because people disagree. It's fragile because people stop caring. When apathy replaces action, when truth feels optional, when hate feels easier than hope, that's when freedom fades. But the good news is, we've been here before. We've faced wars, depressions, pandemics, and divisions far deeper than this one. And every time, ordinary people pulled us back. Not politicians, people. Teachers, workers, veterans, parents, students, organizers, and artists who refused to give up on the idea that America could be better than it was yesterday. That's what reclaiming unity means. Not waiting for a savior, but being one in your own community. It means standing up for facts in a sea of lies. It means protecting the rights of people you don't even know, because democracy only survives when we protect each other. The truth is, we're all bound together, rich or poor, black or white, liberal or conservative, immigrant or native born. When one group suffers, the nation weakens. When one group rises, the nation grows stronger. That's not politics, that's reality. The choice ahead of us is simple but profound. We can keep replaying the same argument until we tear this country apart, or we can decide that the real fight isn't between left and right, it's between truth and falsehood, justice and fear, empathy and cruelty. Unity doesn't mean giving up your beliefs. It means remembering that democracy gives you the right to have them. It means understanding that freedom is not a zero-sum game. Someone else's right don't take yours away. America's motto is E pluribus unum, out of many one. It's more than a phrase, it's a promise. The question is whether we'll keep it. The future of this country will not be decided by politicians or pundits. It will be decided by us, by what we choose to believe, share, and stand for. The tools of division are loud, but unity is patient. It doesn't shout, it builds. It doesn't demand perfection, it demands participation. That's the work ahead of us. To listen, to learn, to lead with courage, not fear. To rebuild the trust that lies and hate have tried to destroy. We are not enemies. We are fellow travelers on the same uncertain journey toward a more perfect union. And if we can remember that, if we can hold on to hope through all the noise, then America's best days aren't behind us. They're ahead of us.